Hi everybody, this is Dr. Tad with RSG. Hey, I just wanted to take a few minutes here today to kind of give you some updates on the dwarf gene. We're standing here in the Silver Dollar Farms lambing barn where we use it as a little bit of a proving ground for some of our processes as well. But what we wanted to talk a little bit about today is the accuracy in the dwarf gene. And so a year ago we realized that we were seeing FF sires bred to FD females that would actually produce a DD lamb. It was actually first seen in the Southdown breed, and then we've started looking at it through other breeds as well. So I just want to use an example here today. Tanner's got a hold of what most people would classify as a functional dwarf, but if you also notice, the most common differentiation here is the flipped up ear. So that's an indication of the dwarf gene as well. And while if you watch her move and go, she's pretty normal, if you will. So what we know is that the original testing on that gene has some accuracy issues, and what it is on that test, on that gene, it's very accurate. However, we know that there's an additional gene that's causing some expression that causes the DD to be produced from an FF sire. And so we have some really brilliant minds working on the genomic testing for that, but unfortunately haven't come up with a conclusive result yet. So just wanted to share that with you. I know there's some people that starting to have a few more questions around it as we see it expand into some of the other breeds, particularly with our lamb genetics. So feel free to reach out, send us some emails with questions, things like that. We'll keep you posted as we learn more. We'll sure be sharing that with you. Thanks a lot.